everyone, just doing a quick last vlog as I'm leaving in an hour, going to the airport. Just got myself a new t-shirt, as you can see, surf t-shirt. So yeah, 25 degrees air temperature right now, guys. Last day here in paradise, going home in an hour. Be in Bognor by midnight tonight, guys. So last day in the sun, sadly. Just want to say a big huge thank you to everyone that has subscribed to my YouTube channel. I really appreciate it so much. Thank you, guys. Next time when I come to Fuerteventura, guys, I'm going to try and come here for 2 months next time. So yeah, thank you guys for everything. I really mean it. Thank you. Sorry that I couldn't do Lanzarote and Lobos this time. But I've been to Lanzarote and Lobos before, and it's not been rude, but it is a bit boring when you've already been there a lot of the time. There's no point going there again and again. But next time I'm here, I'm going to do something different over there, like with volcanoes, tours, and that. So yeah. Alright guys, this is Galera Beach Bar where I normally go drinking with my mate Corky. 3 o'clock in the afternoon on Wednesday the 2nd of March 2022. Oh my god, I forgot how clear the water is. Look at the water. Sadly, my last day, I go home in an hour. I don't want to, I really don't want to go home. How clear it is. That water. People swimming, guys, in the sea. I went swimming yesterday, but I didn't got any footage, sadly. I didn't. But it's high tide right now. This is how busy the beach is. Look at that water. The sea temperature is currently 19 degrees. It's lovely and warm, it is. It's nice and warm for us lot, for us tourists, but for my mate and that live here, it's not warm for them, because they live here. Yeah. Bit of dry throat. I haven't drunk anything yet. Basically going straight back to the hostel to pack my suitcase, then me ready to leave. Go to the airport. Then I'll be doing an airport vlog as well for you, so. We at Waikiki Beach, we are. It's very good here. I'm really sad that I'm leaving, guys. I really am. And the best holiday ever. Made some more new friends, what I'm so happy about. It's unbelievable. I love it, meeting new people, so thank you to all the people that I have met on this holiday. This is called wing foiling. Oh. Right, the time is now 12 minutes past 3 in the afternoon and it's 24 degrees air temperature. I'm flying back from 24 degrees to 6 degrees. Yeah, that's going to be a shock to the system. I land into London Gatwick at 10 to 11 at night, guys. And I won't get back to Bognor till 1 in the morning. Hopefully I will make the train, because it's the last train tonight. at 11:10, and I get in at 11:10. So I don't really have long time to get the train, really. So I hope I don't miss it. If I miss it, then I guess I have to stay at the airport for a few hours. Look at that water, it's so clear. Oh, people sunbathing and that. Look, cool guys, go and subscribe to my mate YouTube channel called Man Brothers. They do amazing content, they do. I'm gonna chill when I get home to England, have a few days rest. It's busy today guys, really busy. Very busy. I've got half hour and 15 minutes until I leave, sadly. Got Contante there, do really good breakfast there, they do. For 5 euros before midday. Yeah, amazing content they do down there. Got grabbing Seville to please. Coming up to Town Beach now we are. Oh. Yeah, cool guys, remember click that thumbs up, click that subscribe button, also click that notification bell and you'll be notified every time I update the new YouTube video. Yeah, cool guys, I want to say a big thank you to everyone that has subscribed, and yeah, catch you all later guys, catch you all later from paradise. Thank you for subscribing to my YouTube channel and that, and I shall be back in November hopefully for my birthday. I'll come from November and Christmas this time, so yeah, catch you all later guys, bye for now.